Hey guys, I want to do a little video. I was talking on the last video, the unboxing video of the turbo. I was going to do some machining on the flange for the turbine side, and Luke actually said to me, well, you don't have to do that. You can buy one from Black Sheep Industries. So, and I never even thought of it. I bought a bunch of stuff. Some of this stuff I had already. Some I ordered the flange for the back of the turbo. And I don't even know why I didn't think of it. But if you guys are looking for parts, we'll talk about that in a minute. V-band clamps, aluminum, stainless, in a bunch of different sizes. He's got blow-off valves, external wastegates, turbos, all kinds of stuff. The guy's name is Nick that owns the place. Awesome dude. But what I wanted to do, we're got a couple things to talk about. So some of you guys are probably going to say, well, you just buy a flange or machine the flange, cut it off, do whatever. This flange is actually designed for that turbo. So this will go right on with the clamp. He has these in stock. He has them also for the bigger ones for the T6 turbine housing. So this is a T4 turbine housing. And then he has the one for the T6. I think he's coming out with some other ones, but I'm not sure. You'll have to just look on the website. But I did want to mention that. I really like this stuff. I used all this stuff for the compounds on the first gen, for any of you guys who have been around for a long time. The V-band clamps use I don't know if they're 5/16 or 8 mil. Anyways, doesn't matter. But they use the big clamp or big bolts on the clamps, which I really like. And they come with two nuts. They come with the lock nut and the regular nut. You do want to make sure, though, you put anti-seize on these, because if you don't, you will bung them up and you will hate yourself. But anyways, so this is the flange that I'm going to be using for this. I'm using some of these to do the intercooler piping on that. There will be a video dropping of me doing the downpipe and some of the intercooler piping. Should be this week, I think, anyway. But I wanted to put this out. So go over and take a quick look at the old website. This is his website. I will put a link down below. But something cool that he offered for you guys is 5% off of all the products except for the turbos. But the turbos do have free shipping in Canada and the US. So 5% off all the products except for the turbos, but the turbos have free shipping. So that's probably worth more than 5% the shipping. But I wanted to, he's got all kinds of stuff. So if you go Wastegates, the Wastegates are pretty decent quality from what I can see, and everybody's having good luck with them. Now these are in Canadian dollars. Let me switch that into US dollars just for you guys for reference. So that's good prices. He's got extra flanges and clamps and all that stuff for you guys that need that stuff, which sometimes can be hard to find. He has it all on here. What else we got? Flanges. So your turbo flanges that I was talking about. He has the outlet flange for the S400s. The big mammoth for the which everybody calls a mammoth, but the T6 housing, and then that's that T4 classic style flange that I got right there. So just to let you guys know, he's got other, if you're building your own merge flanges, all kinds of cool stuff. And then what else did I want to show you guys? He has, the V-band assemblies, and then he also has the charge air pipe. So these are like Van Jan clamps for any of you guys that are into that type of stuff. So just thought I would mention this. I might actually buy one of these for the hot side or the cold side on the turbo. I haven't decided yet. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know. So there'll be a link down in the description. I will also put it on the screen. To get the 5% discount code is the word CUTTERUP, all in caps, has to be in caps, and that will get you 5% off. So that was pretty cool of him to do that for you guys. If you're ordering stuff, put that in there. Muchly appreciated. Help the little guy. He started out just a few years ago, and I like to help little guys, and he's also local, so I get stuff quick. So that is nice for me, and he's pretty good at shipping stuff North American wide as quick as possible for him. So anyways, that will be it for this one. But like I said, I really do appreciate it. Nick, if you're watching, appreciate you helping all these guys out. And I'm sure they'll appreciate it by buying stuff. So any of this stuff you guys need, look them up. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description. And then I also will put the discount code in the description as well. So Like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.